butterfly. Lie. Butterfly. Bud. D. Okay. Most of the time, ER is the we want. It's always the good one to start with. IR and UR are kind of less frequently used as and AR and OR are only sometimes used as but ER, that's the first one to go with. Might not be right, but it's a good one to start with. And then good old Facebook lowercase f. And then I don't feel like I need two L's there. Let's just go with the one. Let's see. Now we have fly. That D doesn't look right there. I know that sometimes when it's in the middle of a word, T can sound like a D. Let's try that there. Looks better. Butterfly. But again, just like with bunny, the U and the E are too close together, and the E here, even though it's controlled by the R, is making the U say its name. So we've got butterfly. And the butterfly is beautiful, but if there's a way to make the U and the E farther apart. Two T's. Now the U can sound like again. Butterfly. Butterfly. Or, as we more commonly say, butterfly.